Today's question on ISS is question number 11. This is about X and Y to standard normal distribution. The moment you see standard normal and divided by independent standard normal, you should immediately think standard Cauchy distribution. This is a standard Cauchy structure. Okay. Now, the parallel theory is X follows a normal distribution with 0 and 1. So x square is following chi square equal to 1. So if x1 to xn, so the independent variations here this thing function xi square, and so x gives you this, so u variate agar ye chi square mein aaya and v also goes for the chi square, so u by m EF distribution को follow करेगा भाई. So x by y is Cauchy with 0, 1. So normal by independent normal equal to Cauchy. Okay? So this is the Cauchy structure, xy with 0, 1. So 11 answer is B.